Hello, Tony, with Dwyer Foundation. My name is Robert Reed. I'm with the Louisville Digital Marketing Company, and I had seen you guys over at the home show at the Kentucky State Fair. So I'm sending you this quick video to give you some tips on how to have your website speaking Google's language, so you can start bringing in more customers for free. I'm doing this because I used to own my own remodeling company in Louisville. And I understand that business owners reach the point where they're so busy running a business, they don't have the time to sit in front of a computer screen and keep their website updated so that the customers keep coming in their front doors. We found the only thing holding back owners from hiring their own marketing agency is obviously they didn't know what marketing agencies are going to be an expert or which one's going to be a waste of time and money. So we found that by giving this value up front and giving away these free attack plans, there's a lot of owners who end up reaching out to us and asking us for help so they can get this stuff completed. So after this video, you can see that we know what we're talking about, and you know that we can deliver good work for you. You can always give us a call and we can have a chat, or if you want to take the information and use it for free education, that's okay. I'm going to talk about 3 quick topics today: content, citation, and backlinks. So I'm on your homepage, and it looks pretty good. But unfortunately, Google isn't ranking based on the appearance of your site. Google is actually using bots called crawlers, and these crawlers are scanning all the content within your website to try and find keywords to look for search results. So for Google, content is king. It's recommended that you have at least 1,500 words on this homepage and at least 500 on all the service pages. You also want to use the rule of thumb, 100 words of content for every 1 keyword. If your website is not set up like this, it helps Google see that you're an expert in the industry, not a spam site, and Google will put your website at the top of more search results, which means more customers. So I'm using this keyword. The keyword is Foundation Repair Louisville, Kentucky, to search for you. And you can see at the very top, there's ads at the top. And a lot of people are not happy with the ads because they're just not, it's not the searches that they're looking for. And a lot of people are putting ad blockers on this so they don't see those. But the next section is the Google Maps. And this is the most trusted search part on Google, in an area that most people click on and where mobile users click on more often. So by getting more stellar reviews, it will keep you on top. The next thing you want to do is get more citations. A citation is just an online directory like Yelp or Yellow Pages or White Pages. There are thousands of directories you can put your website on, and you always want to get more than your competition has. You always want to beat them. We have the tools to find out which directories your competition is on and how to put more on for you. The next section is the organic section. And this is where Google does their little dance all the time, switching people back and forth. So I want to use a competitor and kind of Contact. I don't know if you've ever heard of them or not. And just a reminder of the remainder of this video, because they're doing something right on their website. And here's their site. Something within their content and actually their meta tags that's helping them. They have hardly any content, but the way they do their meta tags, their descriptions within their pages, Google is registering and is giving them more authority. So we want to fix that. This is going to be easy to get you to be at the top. We use a tool called Ahrefs, and if you look at Ahrefs at the top, you're doing pretty good. You've got a UR of 36, which is 0 out of 100. It's what Google thinks of you, so they think highly of you. A third. The domain rating is 39, which is a strong website, and it's doing good. Your backlinks are over 3,000, almost 3,500 backlinks coming from 302 websites. Your organic keywords that you're searching, that you've been searched for, is 203, and you're getting 151 traffic. Now, where's the traffic coming from? If you look in here at these organic keywords, and let's see if we get these in order. So Dwyer company, Dwyer Concrete, all of this is your brand and your name. So if someone is searching for Dwyer waterproofing, they already know about you. So and you're ranking #1 for that word. So if they're searching for that, they're putting that in the search, they already know about you. So they're not getting it and learning about it from the website. So a lot of this traffic that is coming from is not organic from the website. And I mean, it goes all the way down to here. So there's probably 75 to 100 there. And your traffic, the majority of your traffic is coming from people that already know about you. And they're like an ad that you might do. And then they would come to your website to check you out. Now, 40 or 50 of them, I would say, are coming from this website. People are putting in a search, and they're organically finding it through your keywords. So that might be something to consider, that you might want to try to get more from your website, and because you're already an established company, and you're bringing in words from other ways besides a website. So to look at this competitor, they've got quite a bit on here, and a lot of keywords that they're getting. If you go in and look at their Ahrefs, they've got a lower, an 8 and a 14, but they're getting 126 traffic, and a lot of their keywords, see, some of theirs are from contact too. So they've got quite a bit coming from, probably about as much. But here's the thing, we can build, and they're not even secure, so they don't have an SSL rating. Now, we can build this up and get more by putting in more content with keywords, a lot more than what's here. Citations, which are directories from other sources, and then backlinks, which you needed some more backlinks because you were low on those. Now, you were pretty good, but you need more referring domains. So you got 300 referring domains. You probably need to be up to 500 or 700 before this starts climbing. And that'll give you more keywords, and it'll give you more organic traffic. So, anyway, these are the things you need. And if you're interested in getting those things and increasing your traffic to your website, we can sure help you. This is not a hard competition. You're about halfway there, and you've done well with whoever's helped you with this, but there's farther to go if you want to go that far. If you've got enough leads, that I wouldn't worry about it. But I know that's a lot of information. If you need to reach out for us, please feel free to. We'd love to have any kind of feedback from you on the website, on our email, and we'd love to see anything that it tells how we're doing and see if we're giving value to you. If there's anything else you need, please reach out for us, and we'd be glad to talk to you. Thanks a lot.